In this video, you'll learn how to schedule posts using OpenClaw AI. By following these steps, you will be able to efficiently set up your content schedule for platforms like TikTok. Begin by locating the search box on your Windows system. Click on it to activate the input field where you will type commands. This is typically found in the bottom left corner of your screen, represented by a magnifying glass icon. Next, type Windows PowerShell into the search box. As you type, suggestions will appear. Look for the Windows PowerShell application in the list. This tool will allow you to run specific commands necessary for OpenClaw AI. After that, right-click on the Windows PowerShell entry. A context menu will open with various options related to the application. This is where you will find the option to run PowerShell with elevated permissions. Click on Run as Administrator from the context menu. This action may prompt a user account control window asking for confirmation. Click Yes to proceed, granting the necessary permissions for the next steps. Once the PowerShell window opens, type OpenClaw and press Enter. This command will initiate the OpenClaw application. You may need to wait a moment for the system to process the command and launch the application. After the application starts, type OpenClaw Gateway and hit Enter again. This command will direct you to the OpenClaw interface where you can begin scheduling your posts. Next, copy the URL http://127.001.18789. This address is your local gateway to the OpenClaw control panel. You will need this link shortly to access the scheduling features. Open your default web browser. This can be Chrome, Firefox, or any browser you prefer. Wait for the browser to fully load before proceeding to the next step. Go to the OpenClaw control by pasting the copied URL into the address bar of your browser and pressing Enter. This action will take you to the main interface of OpenClaw AI. In the control panel, type in your scheduling request, for example, schedule posts for TikTok. This will prompt the application to provide you with options tailored to your needs. After submitting your request, you will receive a message saying, "Nice, let's do it." This confirmation indicates that OpenClaw AI is ready to assist you with scheduling. The application will then ask for specific details, such as your niche or account type. Providing this information will help tailor the content recommendations to your audience. You will also need to specify your time zone. This is crucial for ensuring that your posts are scheduled for optimal engagement based on when your audience is most active. Next, indicate how many posts you want to schedule per week. This input will help OpenClaw AI create a manageable content calendar for you. Additionally, you will be prompted to define your content pillars, which are the themes around which your posts will revolve. Aim for 3 to 5 themes that align with your brand. Following this, you will set a goal for your content. This could be increasing engagement, driving traffic, or generating leads. Clearly defining your goal will help OpenClaw AI optimize your schedule accordingly. Now type in your specific details such as gaming, America, once a week, 3 themes, leads. This information will guide the AI in generating a customized posting schedule. Once you've entered your details, a message will appear stating, "Perfect. Here's a simple TikTok lead gen schedule for a gaming account posting 1x/week in the US." This confirmation indicates that your schedule is ready. The application will present you with 3 content themes that are lead focused. These themes are designed to resonate with your target audience and maximize engagement. You will also receive pro tips and quick tricks designed to enhance your content's effectiveness. These insights can be invaluable as you plan your posts. Finally, review the weekly posting times that OpenClaw AI recommends. Make adjustments if necessary based on your audience's preferences, especially if they are located in different time zones. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching, and catch you in the next tutorial.